Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Carolyn Bond from Lintech Solutions. I am contacting you today to show you how to use Microsoft Teams. As you know, with the pandemic, a lot of people are using Teams, Zoom, and so many other platforms just to connect to others remotely. So this could be a great skill for you to take on if you are interested in learning how to use Microsoft Teams. I will be going over some of those different features throughout my channel. But today, or in this video, we're going to learn how to create a Microsoft Teams meeting. All right. I just want to go ahead and mention that Lintech Solution is not responsible for finding anyone a position. We're just simply here to provide skill set to get you there to apply to some help desk technician positions. All right. And as always, I'm inviting you to come along and join me in my journey. On my channel, I'll be going through some of the basics and intermediate skill sets of how to perform help desk technician functions. All right. Okay. As you see, we are in Microsoft Outlook. And if we want to go ahead and start a meeting, you always have to go to your calendar icon down at the left bottom hand corner. So I'm going to click on that. All right, double click on that. All right, so if you look at the top of your screen, you notice that there is new appointment, new meeting, meet now, new Teams meeting. Now, this icon will not show up in your calendar if you do not have Microsoft Teams installed on your computer. So please make sure that you have Microsoft Teams installed on your computer, and I can go over that. I do have another video where it tells you how to install certain or how to install software. I will go over how to install Teams in another video. So please take a look at some of my videos and it will provide that information for you. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on New Teams Meeting. Okay. All right. All right, so now you see you have another window that popped up. Okay. And I'll say the title of this meeting is, we'll say, Online Lunch. We're a little delayed. Okay. Online Lunch Meeting. Okay. All right, and let's say I'm going to I'm going to make sure that ABC comes, and if I wanted to say that someone else needed to come, I'm not going to put myself, I'm already in the meeting. But I can say that, hey, if somebody else wanted to come, they don't have to come, but hey, I'll invite so-and-so, another person as well, then I'll add them there too, okay? So I like to always have a reminder. So I set that to 15 minutes. This is a default setting. And also I like to make sure that it shows that the person is busy. If I'm sending out a message, this will also show on the person's calendar that they will be busy at this time frame that I want to have the lunch meeting. Okay? I'm just going to go through some of the basic things. You can kind of play around with some of the settings. The most important thing you want to do is outline the time. We're not going to be having lunch at 12 a.m., maybe 12 p.m., but not 12 a.m. So let's go ahead and change that to 12 p.m. And we're going to say we're not going to have lunch for a whole day. So we need to go ahead and change that date to the 6th. All right, so we can say 12 to 1 o'clock. All right. We can make it reoccurring, but we're just going to make it for one time. The location is Microsoft Teams because it's going to be a meeting. All right. And you have this information down here at the bottom, which allows the user to go ahead and click on this link to access the meeting, and we'll go over that in the next video. Okay? All right. So what I'm going to do, I can write something in the body as well. Make sure you bring your lunch. Okay? All right. So I'm going to send this off. All right. This will send it. This notification or invite will be sent to myself, which you saw it populate on my calendar automatically, and on the user ABC. Okay? So what will happen, and as you see, you can see the details of the meeting. What will happen once the time frame comes, once 11:45 comes around, I will receive a reminder pop up to remind me about this online lunch meeting that I have with ABC. Okay? And stay tuned for the next video. The next video will show you how to get into the Teams meeting. Bye for now.